Okay, teammates, we are going to do 3 problems today where we are dividing by non-unit fractions, which means that it has a different number than 1 in the numerator. So we are going to do one where we do the standard algorithm and then a tape diagram, and then we will do 2 with just our standard algorithm. So the first one says 5 divided by 5/6. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to use my keep, change, flip method. So keep, change, flip. I'm going to keep my dividend as 5. I'm going to change my sign to multiplication, and I'm going to flip my divisor. So instead of 5/6, it's going to be 6/5. So 6 on top and 5 on bottom. Okay. So then I also remember seeing in my key points today that I need to put my dividend over 1. So let's rewrite this as 5/1 times 6/5. Now I can do the math. So I know 5 times 6 equals 30. 1 times 5 equals 5. And then finally, 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Now I'm ready to draw my tape diagram, or my model, to prove my answer. So I see that I originally had 5 in the dividend, so I'm going to draw 5 holes and see how many groups of 5/6 I can fit into my 5 holes. So I will draw 1 hole, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I'm going to label these as 5 by just drawing a 5 up here. Okay, so now I need to cut them into sixths because I'm trying to find groups of 5/6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 lines will get me my 6 boxes. I'm drawing 5 lines in each one of these, so I have 6 boxes in each one. Okay, so now I have my 6 boxes in each one, and I am going to start coloring in 5/6 of those boxes to find my groups. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one group. 1. I'm going to do my next one in a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's group 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's group 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's group 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's group 5. And finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's group 6. So as we can see in my model, I also got 6. So my answer from up here is correct. The answer is 6. So if you don't have that down yet, go ahead and get that down. You can pause the video and then click play when you're ready to see the other 2 examples. For these ones, we're just going to use the standard keep, change, flip method instead of drawing models for them, just so you can get a lot of examples with the keep, change, flip method. Okay, so let's do keep, change, flip. My problem is 6 divided by 2/3. I'm going to keep my dividend as 6. I'm going to change my sign to multiplication, and I'm going to flip my divisor from 2/3 to 3/2. So the 3's on top now and the 2's on bottom. Let's rewrite it with my dividend over 1. And let's do the math. 6 times 3 equals 18. 2 times 1 equals 2. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. There's my answer. So that means that 2/3 can go into 6 9 times. This is another example where the quotient is greater than the dividend. Here we have one more. This time we have a mixed number. The first thing that I need to do here, since I have a mixed number, is I need to make my mixed number mad. So I need to multiply 5 times 2 and then add my total to 4. So 5 times 2 equals 10 plus 4 equals 14. And then I keep my denominator the same, so it stays 5. So let's rewrite this as 2. Okay, so now we have 14 over 5 divided by 2 over 5. Reminder, when we have the same denominator, there's a simple method to get this done. We can cover up our denominators and just divide our numerators. So 14 divided by 2 equals 7. But if I want to do keep, change, flip, I can. Reminder, we can always use keep, change, flip, whether we have the same denominator or not. So if I'm going to keep, change, flip here, I will keep 14/5. I will change my sign to multiplication, and I will flip 2/5 to 5/2. So 5's on top and 2's on bottom now. So now I do the math. So 14 times 5 equals 70. 5 times 2 equals 10. 70 divided by 10 equals 7. So either way, I got the correct answer. Make sure you have this down. You can rewind if you missed anything, and then when you are done, you can come back and wait for us to come back all together.